Farmers are squeezing 60% more work from the same daylight. No new tractor required. Welcome to rudeinsect.com.
60% sounds wild until you realize it comes from one habit. Use the right tool the right way and care for it like your harvest depends on it. Because it does.
Let's start with the simplest lever you've got, matching tool to task. A spade is not a pry bar and a wrench is not a hammer. Every misuse steals life from your tools and time from your day.
And maintenance is the multiplier. Clean after use, dry thoroughly, and add a light coat of oil on metal parts. Sharpen cutting edges before they're dull, not after you're frustrated.
I like a 3-tier routine. 2 minutes daily to wipe and hang up, 10 minutes weekly to check handles, fasteners, and moving parts, and a monthly sharpen and lube session.
Storage matters too. Dry ventilated space, blades sheathed, handles off the floor. A pegboard with outlines makes it obvious when something's missing and reminds everyone to return it.
Safety rides shotgun with efficiency. Gloves, eye protection, hearing protection for power tools, and never bypass guards. Trained hands are fast hands.
Speaking of training, short tool briefings for the crew cut injuries and downtime. One community garden that did this saw fewer mishaps and more output, proof that 5 minutes of teaching pays for itself.
Technology is helping, not replacing the basics. Simple maintenance apps ping you when a grease point or belt check is due. Farms using these reminders have reported around a 20% lift in overall efficiency.
And automation and precision tools, GPS-guided implements, task-specific robotics tighten the loop. When tools are used exactly as designed in the right place at the right depth, that's where the big efficiency jumps show up.
But you don't need a robot to get results. One small farm that instituted a weekly tool check cut peak season downtime by nearly a third just from catching wear before it became failure.
Environmental wins show up too. The longer your tools last, the fewer replacements you buy and the less material ends up as scrap. Correct tillage tools at the correct depth mean less compaction and healthier soil biology.
Let's call out the classic mistakes to avoid. Using the wrong tool, skipping cleaning, leaving tools in damp corners, forgetting to lubricate moving parts, ignoring manufacturer guidelines, and storing sharp tools loose where edges get dinged.
And don't forget handles. A loose or cracked handle becomes a wrist injury waiting to happen. Sand, check, and replace before it fails. A $10 handle can save a $200 ER bill.
Economics make the case easy. Higher quality tools cost more up front but need fewer replacements and do better work. If the right hoe lets one worker clear an extra quarter acre before lunch, it pays for itself fast.
Okay, 7-day quick start plan. Day 1, inventory everything and label it. Day 2, set up a dry, organized storage wall. Day 3, clean and dry every tool, oil metal parts. Day 4, sharpen blades and adjust moving parts. Day 5, train the crew on correct use and safety. Day 6, create a simple maintenance log with reminders. Day 7, walk the fields and match tools to tasks for the week.
Add a 1-minute habit. Before you start a job, ask, is this the exact tool? Is it sharp, clean, and safe? That question alone prevents half the waste.
Future forward, biodegradable oils, recycled metal tools, and smart sensors that flag wear before you feel it. Blend those with old school care and you've got durable, efficient kit.
Bottom line, proper tool usage isn't glamorous, but it's the quiet engine of a 60% efficiency leap. Less downtime, fewer injuries, better yields.
If you remember one thing, treat tools like crops, right tool, right place, right care, and watch your efficiency grow. That is all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to rudeinsect.com, Conversations with Grant and Fiona.